When you try something new, you're going to be terrified. You're going to be nervous. That's normal. You're either going to succeed or you'll survive. Well, you understand that when you succeed or survive, you learn something, right? And then when you learn something, you're building a skill. This is just like, remember how in the very beginning of the course, I said, I'm going to teach you how to run, you as the equipment. When you first picked up a camera, it was overwhelming. You probably shot some really horrible photos. When you first used Photoshop, when you first did any kind of editing, when you shot your first video, terrible. When I look at the stuff that I did just, last year, horrible compared to what we're doing now. Mortifying that 10 million people have seen that TED Talk. Seriously, because it's not what I would consider to be my good work, not anymore, because I've built so much more competency, right? So when you build skills, you gain competency. And what's interesting is the more that you master something, whether it's cold calling, or it's a selling process, or it's negotiating and walking away from deals where they won't pay you $4,000, the more that you gain competency, the lower your anxiety drops, the more your nerves drop, the more your doubt drops because you're learning it. And so what ends up happening when you have competency is now you've got confidence. Pretty cool, right? So we talk about this stuff, but understanding that this is the only way to build it. You can't think your way to it. And I know a lot of us in the personal development space talk a lot about mindset, and we're going to get into that. But it doesn't start with mindset. And this is what I want to pound into your brains. Yes, thinking positive helps a lot. But confidence and self-doubt, breaking the cycle starts with action.